Hi everyone! Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to create an invoice using Monday.com. Step by step, super easy, even if you've never used Monday.com before. Let's get started. Step 1. Go to Monday.com and create a workspace. Open Monday.com and log in or create a free account. On the left side, click plus Add Workspace. Name it something like Invoices or Billing. This will keep all your invoicing boards organized in one place. Step 2. Add a new board using an invoice template. Click plus Add Board. Choose Templates. Search for Invoice or CRM templates. Select Invoices and Quotes template. Click Use Template. This template includes columns like client name, invoice number, services, items, quantity, rate, total amount, and status, pending or paid. Step 3. Customize your invoice board. Walk through adding and editing columns. Client name, invoice number, services or items, quantity, rate, total amount, status, pending or paid, due date. Show how to rename columns, change column types, numbers, dates, or status. Step 4. Add an invoice item. Click New Item, enter client name, fill description, rate, quantity, total gets calculated automatically, set invoice status to pending or paid. Step 5. Export invoice as PDF or Excel. Option 1. Export the entire board. Click top right menu, choose Export, Export to Excel, format into a PDF invoice outside Monday. Your viewers can use Word or Google Docs. Option 2. Use Monday Docs. Click Add View, Monday Doc, insert your invoice template, pull values using connected fields, then download as PDF. Monday doesn't produce a polished PDF invoice in one click, but using Docs or Excel export makes it very easy. And that's it. You've just learned how to create and manage invoices in Monday.com. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more easy tech guides.